Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In the last video, we learned what datasets and tables are in BigQuery, and how to create them using SQL. Today, we're going to build on that knowledge and see how we can insert data directly into our tables using BigQuery SQL. Let's quickly recall what we created last time. We had a dataset called sales data inside our project, and within that dataset, we created a table called orders. The table had 4 columns: order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. Now, an empty table is just like an empty spreadsheet. It doesn't do much until we actually put some data into it. So how do we insert rows of data? In BigQuery, we use the insert into statement. Let's look at an example. Insert into _project_id. Sales data. Orders order ID, customer ID, order date, total amount, values. ORD 001, cust 100, the 15th of January 2025, 250.75, ORD 002, cust 101, the 16th of January 2025, 499.00, ORD 003, cust 102, the 17th of January 2025, 125.50. This query inserts 3 new rows into the orders table. Each row has a unique order ID, the customer ID, the date of the order, and the total amount. What's nice is that you can insert multiple rows at once by separating them with commas, just like we did here. Now, let's check the data with a simple query. Select asterisk from _project_id. Sales data. Orders . As you can see, the table now has 3 records that we just added. So to recap, we first create a dataset and table, and then we use the insert into statement to load data directly into the table. This is especially useful for inserting small batches of test data or manually adding records. For larger datasets, we usually load from files or external sources, and we'll cover that in upcoming videos. That's it for today's session. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Data Engineering with Avaneeth.